why start the company now? Why start the venture now?
BeyonCa is an idea that was formed a couple of years back when I first engaged into the thought of electric vehicles. Well, it's pretty quick that it comes to my mind that electric vehicles is not just a vehicles that versus a combustion car. It is a vehicles that contains a infrastructures to work with ecosystems.
In terms of use cases, you mentioned at the beginning health.
Yes.
What did you mean by that? How do you envision the car? What role do you envision it playing in people's health?
If you own a car for about 6 months to a year, and if you're driving at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour in the winter time, and if you have a symptom of perhaps a cardiotopics, the avatar that would kick in and speak to you, and if you don't respond, we would be able to detect you via camera, via sensors, and the autonomous driving will take over, and we will, shepherd you into a safety lane, and the cloud doctors then will kick in, and to have a conversations with you, and hopefully with all the data and algorithm that we're deploying in there, could help the doctors to make a better judgment on you.
In the Chinese market, you have this huge range, cars from very low to very high price points. Where do you see this car fitting?
We position our car in what we call super premium or upper premium. We wanted to design a really sporty, sexy car. And of course, with all the AIs and deep use cases that we embedded in, and we hope we have a chance to redefine what is a upper premium, super premium definitions of premium car, so to speak.
I mean, it sounds like you have a very ambitious vision for the future, and you talked a bit about the fundraising aspect of this. How's that going in terms of fundraising, helping you get the money you need to get all these things going?
Pretty tough, right? I think globally is not the best, let's say, timing, but we cope with it. A lot of us, we came from professional backgrounds, so we just need to manage this, one step at a time, hoping that things will get better. And we are hopeful that things will get better.
I just also wanted to ask you for your outlook on the China market more broadly.
Yeah.
I think in September, EV sales were up 83% from a year ago.
Yeah.
So obviously there's a lot of growth there. But at the same time, there are, I think, something like 200 electric car companies in China now. What do you see for the future? Is there enough business for 200 companies in this market?
Chinese, as I say, is the largest market in the world. Yeah. If there is an opportunity and chance, this is the place, as a matter of fact. And so therefore for me, keep our finger crossed. I would say that the potential is there. I have no doubt about it. But again, consolidation might happen. And I would not see consolidation in that bad way. Consolidation means partnerships.